Hello guys, welcome to this video. Droit Administratif is hailed as one of the greatest achievements of Napoleon Bonaparte, especially in France jurisprudence. So it had some contributions, especially to the legal systems. It contained many ideas which were also taken by other jurisdictions, but it is also blamed heavily because it had a number of weaknesses. Many others have found that that system has so many weaknesses because it does not work within the presence of rule of law. Professor Dicey argued that this system is very wrong on some grounds, and one of them is that it does not fulfill the requirement of the rule of law. So in this video we are going to look at these weaknesses, starting with the first one, whereby we say that whereby Droit Administratif is applied, there is no rule of law. 2. The government has too many privileges over the private citizen. We find that in Droit Administratif, administrative courts have a lot of power. When we compare their power to the ordinary citizen, it seems that they have what we call all powers. It is almost impossible to call them into account because they are so much mighty. They can take action on their own accord. So they have so much power that it is very difficult to initiate accountability proceedings. So this is a system whereby we see that the government being too powerful and having so many privileges over the private citizen. This is the second weakness of Droit Administratif. Secondly, an individual in his dealings with the state does not, according to French law, stand on the same footing as that which he stands when dealing with his neighbor. This is we see this is totally unfair because we find that the citizen is put at a lower pedestal when dealing with administrative body as compared when having relations with his own neighbor. So we will see something known as inequality. In the classic conception of the rule of law, we have the maxim of equality before the law, but when some institutions are more powerful than the law, then it simply means that there is no equality before the law, and that simply means that the rule of law has failed. Fourthly, the government and its official should be independent and free of jurisdiction of ordinary courts. So once the government and officials of government are independent from jurisdiction of ordinary courts, that simply means they can do whatever they want to do. They can do whatever the hell they want to do and go scot-free. So this creates a system whereby there is massive disobedience, massive problems, because people do not follow the rule of law, especially if they have power. They use that power and privilege for their own advantage, and this leads to a system that is collapsing continually. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.